Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm doing a POV right now for my little full bolt-on Mustang. So let's get to it. A little cold start for y'all. That shit is insanely loud, but we're gonna let it idle down a little bit, you know, let it get warmed up. But I still gotta get it tuned. We'll find a spot because we gotta wash the car and we gotta rinse it off and show y'all what I got, what the mods are, everything. So let's get to it. If y'all can hear that, but I installed the throttle body and it whistles now. Like, let's see. I don't know, I can hear it pretty well, but come on, old man. Dude curves up the middle lane while it's like a 2-lane basically. It's too loud. I tell you, this thing is insanely loud. Listen to that whistle. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not. Give y'all a little, after the stoplight, we'll give y'all a little pull. So the mufflers we got on it is a Flowmaster 10. That's how it came when I got the car. But I'm definitely gonna go to like Borla or something a little bit quieter because this is way too loud. I'm getting used to it now. And once I put that throttle body on, it got a lot quieter. It was like I could finally breathe now. This is a little spot I like to record my videos and whatnot, or just like the outros of my stuff. So, a little nice area, really nothing much. So, go ahead, pop the hood for y'all. I know this is a look on my Mustang. I mean, it's just a stock Mustang, has a lowering kit on it. I mean, other than that, it's just cool little daily. I mean, I got the Ford Racing throttle body, you know, the intake, and then I got JVA headers. I mean, other than that, guys, it's just a full bolt-on Mustang, untuned. So, I mean, I got headlights on it. I lowered it. Got the GT 500 rims on it. It's dirty as crap right now, so we need to go wash it for sure. I mean, other than that, it's just a stock Mustang, basically. Got the exhaust way too loud. I'm doing a review on the headers shortly, but I just wanted to get y'all a little POV. But I can rev it right here for y'all. So yeah, basically it's it's pretty much minute. I think it's warmed up. We could probably rip on it a little bit. It isn't nothing crazy, but we could probably rip on a little bit for these people right here. Second gear too. Dang, it's a little fun little Mustang. Like I said, it's way too loud for my liking. I just don't like how it sounds so raspy. I mean, other than that, Mustang's fine. Another loud Mustang. Nice little truck back there. Not even tuned yet. Once we get it tuned, it's gonna be so much better. quiet when you're cruising. I kind of like that, but it's too raspy for my liking. It's just way too loud, and it needs to be a little bit more quieter and it's less raspy, you know. So I'm planning on getting boreless for it, but might do a couple more pulls here and there for y'all. Like, it's not really fast, that fast. Maybe from a roll it's faster, but like a 30 roll. But like when you get into 60 rolls, it's kind of like not as fast as you would think it was or want it to be, I guess. So go ahead and squeeze in here. Y'all can hear that whistle or not, because in person it's crazy. That truck just ruined this clip. I was gonna do a pull. Be a little bit quiet. There's a cop in front of us. I'm gonna try to be as quiet as possible, because it might be a little bit too loud. Might get a ticket for it, so gotta be extremely quiet. I am wanting something to eat though. Kane's still looking good over there. Alright, let's be quiet, let's be quiet. Like right above 2 grand, it's like when it starts doing the clap and the raspy noise. So if I can stay under that, it's not too loud. Be quiet, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. I don't think he turned around. Hey, that crap is loud. Yeah, that pool might have been a little bit, the camera maybe exaggerated it probably a lot. I mean, it does feel in a way like that, but it wasn't that powerful, guys. that camera moving backwards made it feel like it had insane power, but it probably is pushing maybe 340. I don't know, we'll see when we hit the dyno. And I can't get a tune until like December, because that's when they're available. But if anyone else, man, in the city area knows how to tune Mustangs, shoot, let me know, because this thing needs to tune ASAP. It has a check engine light, because when I installed those headers, I had to delete the rear 202 sensors. Pulled out in front of me. Have to roll up the windows, man. Can't even hear my own Mustang right now. It's just rumbling. The reason I have this, the Crown Royal, is because my shifter boot broke. It was falling apart. This one's already falling apart too. But and then I need to get a short throw shifter, get a Hurst one or something like that. This might be the end of the video. I'm gonna end it off with a couple crispy downshifts over here. So like I said, it's crazy loud. Sorry I couldn't do no digs for y'all. I mean, but I'm gonna go wash this car wash over here, but that won't be in this POV, so I'll catch y'all later.